In this video, I'll show you how to pin applications on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So the same steps apply for all the other S26 phones within the lineup. So pinning an application basically allows you to lock that application, and if someone tries to navigate away from that app, it will be impossible until you unlock that particular application or unpin that particular application. So to pin apps, all you have to do is go to settings. Within the settings, scroll down and select security and privacy. Tap on that, and then scroll down and choose more security settings and select it. And then scroll down and find the option allow apps to be pinned. Tap on that and ensure that you have enabled that particular option. Now, once you enable it, you should see a brief step on how to pin applications if you're using gestures or if you're using the buttons. Now, to pin an application, simply launch any app that you'd like to pin. So let's say, for instance, this particular app, you can simply launch it. And then once the app has been launched, all you have to do is access the recent applications menu. So the recent apps, sorry. So if you're on gestures, simply swipe up and then access the recent apps. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on that app icon. And then from the options that appear, you should see the option pin this app. So select it and you should see this notification, the app has been pinned. So all you have to do, if in case someone wants to navigate out of the game, you should see that he can't. So you can no longer get out of this application until you unpin that particular app. Now to unpin the app, all you have to do, if you're using gestures, you can simply swipe up and hold to the center, and that should unpin the app and you should see the notification. If you're using buttons, you have to press the back button and the recent app button together, and that should unpin the application. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.